5 ways human ancestors were better than the Neanderthals. Why did the Neanderthals become extinct? Early humans weren't smarter. Neanderthals had big brains, language, and sophisticated tools. They made art and jewelry. Yet Homo sapiens won the evolutionary race. 40,000 years ago, Neanderthals disappeared from Asia and Europe. They were replaced by humans. Here are some possible reasons. 1. Humans lived in larger groups. The key differences weren't individual, rather they lay at the societal level. It's impossible to understand humans in isolation. Our survival is tied to larger social groups. Modern hunter-gatherers live similarly to early humans and Neanderthals. They gather families into wandering bands of 10 to 60 people. The bands combine into a loosely organized tribe. The tribe can number 1,000 people or more. These tribes lack hierarchical structures, but they're linked by shared language, religion, marriages, and kinships. Neanderthal societies may have been similar, but there was a crucial difference: smaller social groups. 2. Neanderthals had lower genetic diversity. In small populations, genes are easily lost. Imagine that 1 person in 10 carries a gene for curly hair. In a 10-person band, 1 death could remove the gene from the population. In a band of 50, 5 people would carry the gene. So over time, small groups tend to lose genetic variation. In 2022, DNA was recovered from bones and teeth of 11 Neanderthals. Several individuals were related, including a father and a daughter. They were from a single band. They showed low genetic diversity. This suggests they lived in small bands, probably averaging just 20 people. 3. Neanderthals were primarily meat-eaters. It's possible Neanderthal anatomy favored small groups. Being robust and muscular, Neanderthals were heavier than us. So each Neanderthal needed more food. The land could support fewer Neanderthals than Homo sapiens. Neanderthals may have mainly eaten meat. People who ate meat and plants would get more calories from the land. This also led to smaller Neanderthal populations. 4. Bigger groups gave humans advantages. Neanderthals were strong and skilled with spears. They were likely good fighters. Lightly built humans probably counted by using bows. This enabled our ancestors to attack at range. Moreover, humans had a numeric advantage. They could bring more fighters and absorb more losses. Big societies have other subtler advantages. Larger bands have more brains, so they advance faster. They're better at solving problems and inventing new techniques. Big groups have higher diversity of ideas. 5. More people meant more connections. Network connections increase exponentially with network size. This is known as Metcalfe's law. A 20-person band has 190 possible connections between members. 60 people have 1,770 possible connections. Information flows through these connections. It can be news about people and movements of animals. Tool-making or sewing techniques also get passed around. The group's behavior becomes increasingly complex. Human groups do things no one person can, such as construct huge projects. It may be that this ability gave Homo sapiens the edge